Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is going to be under what's new, I guess, but it is based on YouTube's partner program that has now suspended my money making until I reach my 1,000 subscriber level. And as you can see, YouTube has taken the money sign off of my vlogs, so I am no longer eligible for monetization. From what I understand, the minute you hit 1,000, it automatically kicks you into their review, and within 1 to 2 weeks you'll get your results. And hopefully it'll automatically kick back in and you'll start, monetizing. But I just want to go over my boosting on Facebook of my videos promoting the fact that YouTube was doing this. I sent out a total of 4 videos, and I spent, coming down, figuring out actually shows on the on here now that those are the videos, and that is how many people reached, how many clicks, which means people that responded after being reached, and the cost that I spent per advertisement. So that, as you can see, the bottom one was 7,000, reached 7,827 people with 187 clicks, and that was $5. Now, that, depending on how you set up your boost, and who it's going to, and geographic area, the big difference between that one at 7,000 people and the other 3 that I boosted, 17,000, 17,000, 16,000, I did world. I went worldwide on that, and then went into hobbies and all the whatever I felt like it might be interesting to these individuals in these categories. So as you can see, and of course the cost to boost it was twice as much as well. So with the $5, if I'd gone $10, it probably would have brought it up to 14, 15,000, where the other ones are at 17, 17, and 16. So I spent a total of $35 to boost those. Now let's get back. Now let's go to the results of those boostings. That was a total of 57,039 people that were reached, and I figure 56. I got a total of 56 new subscribers out of that. It's kind of hard to say how many of those were from the boosting, though, because it shut down on shut down on the 20th. I shut it down on the 20th. Excuse me. As examples of no boosts, between December 1 and the 31st, I had 55 new subscribers. January 1 through the 31st, I got 91 new subscribers. These are without boosts. And so it's kind of hard to say whether the boost, how many individuals were pulled from the boosting. On the average, I get about 2 to 3 subscribers a day because of my content. If you got different content, you're going to get different, subscriber speeds. That's just the way it is. But as of right now, that's the 20th, and I've gotten 56 subscribers this month. I don't know how many, again, subscribers came from my boostings. Now, you spent $35, and I made $125 this month. So technically I made 90. Well, not this month. That was for last month. I made $108 this month as of that cutoff. So I spent $35 out of that profit. Whether it did anything, I don't know, because of the fact that my normal is around between 56 and 90 a month without boosting it. So you just have to decide yourself whether boosting is going to help you reach your new goal, depending on where you're at. I'm lacking 85 now, so I'm not going to boost anymore. I'm just going to let it ride. The fact that I will let it ride, I figured that probably when I was working that out, I'll probably get my first new check from YouTube in June, because of the fact that I'm figuring it's going to take me about 30 days to get my total 1,000, and about 2 weeks for it to be approved, yay or nay. Then you start making money, and you got to go that month making the money, and then they will give it to you the following month. So I'm figuring June I'll be back up on income line again. So I don't see anyone I don't see anybody as of today. It's all gonna depend on how fast you get your 1,000, and then you're gonna have about a 2-week wait, and then you'll start making money, and then you'll get that money the following month. So you're looking at 2.5 months to get your first deposit in your checking account, at the least. So that's you'll still be making money, but I mean, you're still not going to get it in your hands for 2.5 months. So you probably, depending on how long it takes you, you're going to be whatever time it takes you to get your 1,000, and then 2 weeks, and then a month. So month and a half, definitely without making income. So good luck to y'all, and I'll close on this section of the YouTube Partner Program, and I wish you all the best, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you on my next vlog.